Okay, so the yeast has started to foam. This is the only bowl I have other than this one, so I'm going to try to add the flour in this one and see if it's big enough, and we might have to transfer to the enormous pan, but we'll see. Also don't have a measuring cup right now, so I'm using this. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of flour, or 40 tablespoons. This is what we're looking at 1 cup of flour, and I think I have underestimated how much water I needed, so I'm going to add some more warm water. Going to add 5 ounces of evaporated milk, which is about 10 tablespoons, so here goes. Alright, this is 2.5 cups of flour and the 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Put in, I switched to the bigger bowl. This is supposed to be a sponge, and I'm going to let it sit for about 2 hours. Probably going to do some homework and we'll see where we're at. I think this is a good consistency for a sponge. Still got some movement, but it's not super liquidy, so yeah. Okay, this is what we're looking like at about 2 hours after letting it rise. Okay, and here I have my teaspoon of salt and 125 milligrams of vitamin C, and we're gonna pour it in and try to mix it, fold it in. Now we're going to do 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Decided to add just a touch of water to try to help this dough absorb some of these ingredients. So we're going to try to isolate that yolk. Pretty well. With the water, it's pretty wet again, but I'm going to add 2 more cups of flour, so I think it is fine that it is this texture right now. Okay, here it is, post 2 cups of flour. Seems still a little sticky, but I'm going to knead it and maybe add a little more flour as we're going with that process. Here I have 1/4 cup of butter with, didn't have cardamom, so I'm substituting 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice for the teaspoon of cardamom. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to melt it and then spread it over the bread. Okay, we got it wrapped, and we're going to let it sit for 1.5 hours to hopefully rise, and then we'll go from there. I let the dough rise for 1.5 hours about, and it did rise quite a bit, so now I'm going to smash it down, it's said to do, in the middle. So we go. I don't know if you saw that, but Add 3 tablespoons of dark corn syrup, which is like 1.5 ounces. So we're just gonna pour it. Good.
Did we talk about Saltburn, or did we only talk about it? Have you seen Saltburn? Did you watch it yourself? Did you enjoy it?
Honest.
It tastes like bread with a slight cinnamon flavor.
Lacking in flavor.
Lacking in flavor. I don't get it.
It's alright. Didn't put enough spice in it, I don't think.